Alright, mini lad. If it's a challenge you want, it's a challenge you're gonna get. Let's go. Follow with the button and the minimum was a minimum. I don't want to hurt him, but I didn't. If it ever matter again, if I want to bet if I get enough fucking bodies and like this is a ready game, and I make get it, but I want to put pen and nobody want it, but they're gonna get anyway, because I'm gonna feel like mentally imminent till a kid, but it really reading the kid with me out of me. You want to be the enemy of the demon and be receiving enemy is stupid. You have a bit of resist, see, motherfucker, better rock. You finna be dead, the mention enemy 100% of you for the first time. Me, motherfucking bench you, bitch. I'm a babel, 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 gosh, I have for money, I'm paid for, and I'm afraid to pull the man, stop. But with the limiting mother with the minimum, I don't want to hurt them. I did the Federation again about one of it. Figured the fucking bodies and like blur and everything sitting great and again, man, to make it a bit of one to put in front of it. Nobody want to put the gonna get it no way, because I'm beginning to feel mentally. I'm until a kid, been a girl. I'm a killer, breathing with them out of me. You want to be the enemy, a demon, who will be your receiving enemy. Stupidity, I've been in me while I'm visiting motherfucking bad ducky. Finna be dead, the miniature enemy, 100% of you for the first enemy, motherfucking bitch, Fable. I'm available, I'm blowing up like Fable. I'm unavailable, I'm unavoidable, I'm unavailable, I'm unavailable. I'll chill for money and pay for, I'm not available. Hey, Minnie. You want to come back at me? I'm ready. Come on, sucker.